Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you my dear subscriber, my dear viewers? I have many prayers for you. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Hello friends, in this video I will show you the best leather outfits, jackets of ladies and dresses very beautiful. All this video is useful for you guys. If you like my video, please share and comment on my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, in this video you will see the stylish, most beautiful, outstanding leather jacket outfits. Also we will see the hundreds of new design and hundreds of new ideas about my dresses. All dresses are very awesome and very beautiful. You can buy it from any online store. My dear friends, I always try to be useful dresses and stylish content for you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. Today I will be showing you the West worldwide best fashion. So my friends, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today you can see the leather outfits, wear dresses and very beautiful leather jackets. Please my friend, watch my video till the end and never missing my any design of any style of our video. Also don't forget to clicking the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will see all the notification of my latest videos. I want to talk you that I am not selling the product of any dress, any jackets of leathers. So this video is for you. So please friends, support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video you will see amazing and new outfits of leather and gorgeous looking dresses, the branded dresses and beautiful designs of new leather jackets. You can wear these leather jackets outfits on your different in casual functions. These dresses will be available on any online store. You can buy it easily from any online shop. Friends, in this video I will show you the best and new stylish content. So friends, watch my video till the end. You can see beautiful and trending fashions. If you can wear these types of dresses and these types of jackets outfits, I promise you cannot stop yourself to telling you, oh, I am looking so pretty, so beautiful. These dresses are very awesome for you guys. Please buy it and wear it. I always tried my best to something new for you. These jackets are very beautiful, gorgeous and attractive for our ladies. You can wear this different styles of 2023 to 2024. You can wear these types of jackets in all functions. All these stylish and trending jackets for these ladies who like the latest fashion. Also friend, don't forget to support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas daily on my YouTube channel. I would like to introduce about my channel. In my channel I will be give you the new and trending outfits of the leather jackets and leather outfits with pants. In this world you make your personality more charming and attractive. If you are a fashion lover looking for the latest and new ideas about new dresses and jackets and pants, then this is place for you. So friends, sit back, relax and let us to help you find the perfect do you for big event. Like and share our video, and if you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Thanks for watching our video, for subscribing and for your comment.